Collisions involving tractor-trailer trucks or other commercial vehicles can cause devastating injuries or death. The sheer size and weight of these large trucks make them a deadly force on the roadways, with innocent victims and families suffering from the aftermath of a negligent truck driver. Many truck crashes are caused because the driver of the rig was overtired or distracted. Truck drivers are often paid by the mile rather than the hour, which gives them little incentive for proper rest. Cases involving trucking crashes are complicated and complex. These cases involve the intricate interplay between federal regulations that control and regulate the trucking industry, as well as state regulations that do the same. A person who has been in a truck crash needs a law firm that is experienced and qualified to handle a commercial vehicle case. Attorneys who understand the trucking laws, regulations, and commercial vehicle litigation. At the Rockland Law Firm, we have the knowledge, experience, and influence to prosecute these cases. Immediately after our firm is contacted, we will bring in accident reconstructionists and investigators to examine the crash scene and the involved vehicles, as well as to interview potential witnesses. We follow up with law enforcement and other crash scene investigators to determine if there were any violations by the truck driver or of the trucking company. Our truck accident lawyers research the trucking company to determine if they have had a history of violations, and we conduct an independent assessment as to potential violations that may have occurred. This includes a thorough examination of the trucking company's policies and procedures, and their instruction and supervision of the negligent truck driver, determining if the company did a proper check of the driver when he was hired, if the company made sure the driver was continually qualified to drive a large rig, and whether the driver was properly trained and supervised. Also, we often bring in other experts, structural engineers and biomechanical engineers, as well as doctors to prove up our clients' injuries and damages. At the Rockland Law Firm, we have the expertise and resources to find the necessary experts to fully prove our client's case. If you or a family member has been injured because of a negligent truck driver, call our office for a free consultation with a lawyer. We will explain your rights to you, answer your questions, and make sure you are fully compensated for your injuries.